Agility and analysis, two powerful forces driving success in today's fast-paced business world. But what happens when you bring them together? Enter Agile Business Analysis. Whether you're a product owner, developer, or aspiring business analyst, understanding this concept is key to delivering value faster, smarter, and better. Stick around for the next 4 minutes to unlock the secrets of Agile Business Analysis with real-world examples. Let's dive in. Agile Business Analysis is the process of identifying and delivering value in an agile environment. Unlike traditional business analysis, where requirements are fixed up front, Agile focuses on adapting and delivering value in smaller iterative chunks. For example, imagine you're developing an e-commerce app. Instead of spending months creating a perfect, feature-rich product, Agile Business Analysis helps you identify key features like a simple checkout process and roll them out first. This way, customers can start using the app early, and you can gather feedback to improve future updates. So, what exactly does an Agile Business Analyst do? Let's break it down with examples. Facilitating collaboration. Picture a team building a new fitness app. The business analyst ensures the marketing team's vision of easy-to-use tracking features aligns with what the developers are building. They translate ideas into clear user stories like, "As a user, I want to log my workouts in under 30 seconds. Defining and refining requirements. In Agile, requirements are like living documents. For instance, if users complain that the fitness app's calorie tracker is confusing, the business analyst works with stakeholders to refine this feature. They may prioritize a fix for the next sprint, ensuring the issue gets resolved quickly. Driving value delivery. Say the app's launch deadline is approaching. The business analyst helps the team focus on delivering must-have features, like activity tracking and goal setting, instead of less critical ones, like customizing app themes. This ensures a successful launch without sacrificing quality. Now, why does Agile Business Analysis matter? Let's take our fitness app example further. Faster delivery. By focusing on small, high-priority features first, like a step counter, the team can launch a working product in weeks instead of months. Better collaboration. By gathering feedback from users, developers, and stakeholders regularly, the product evolves into something everyone values. Improved customer satisfaction. When users see that their feedback directly impacts updates, like fixing bugs or adding a new workout mode, they're more likely to stay engaged. To recap, Agile Business Analysis combines the adaptability of Agile with the structure of business analysis. From refining app features to ensuring team collaboration, it's the secret sauce to delivering value faster and staying customer-focused. Want to dive deeper into Agile or learn more real-world tips? Hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to share your thoughts or examples in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Stay agile, stay ahead, subscribe now.